Good morning, students. I am continuing the miscellaneous exercise in the 7th chapter, that is integrals. Already we have completed 27 problems. Now let me start with 28. Question number 28, I equal to integral pi by 6 to pi by 3, pi by 6 to pi by 3 sin x plus cos x divided by root of sin 2x into dx. We have to modify this one in order to get a standard form. Now sin 2x equal to 1 minus 1 plus sin 2x. So we are adding plus 1 and minus 1. Here 1 take minus common, so 1 minus of sin 2x, that is equal to 1 minus of 1 means sin square x plus cos square x and minus 2 sin x cos x, because sin 2x is 2 sin x minus cos x, that is equal to 1 minus of sin x minus cos x the whole square. So we can replace this, that is equal to integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 sin x plus cos x divided by root of 1 minus sin x minus cos x the whole square into dx. Because we can put substitute for this, t equal to sin x minus cos x, differentiating dt equal to sin x become cos x and minus cos x becomes plus sin x into dx. And whenever you substitute, change the limit also, x t, we are given pi by 6 pi by 3, pi by 6 pi by 3 when x equal to pi by 6, so sin pi by 6 equal to sin 30, that is equal to 1 by 2 and this is root 3 by 2 and 1 minus root 3 by 2 and pi by 3 means this is root 3 by 2, it is 1 by 2, so root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Now the integral I equal to, lower limit is 1 minus root 3 by 2, upper limit is root 3 minus 1 by 2 and the numerator is dx, cos x plus sin x into dx equal to dt divided by root of 1 minus sin x minus cos x we have taken as t, so it is t square into dt. So this is equal to, now 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal 1 minus x equal to sin inverse of x, accordingly it is sin inverse of t and the limits are 1 minus root 3 by 2, here root 3 minus 1 by 2, the upper limit sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2 minus sin inverse of 1 minus root 3 by 2. This is sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2 and this is, so when you take a minus it will become root 3 minus 1 by 2. So the change, take a minus, sin inverse of minus x equal to minus sin inverse of x, so it is plus sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 2 into sin inverse of root 3 minus 1 root 3 minus 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Next question number 29. I equal to integral 0 to 1 dx by root of 1 plus x minus root x. Even though there is a property, if we apply there will be no change, so let us find another way, that is we can multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator, that is root of 1 plus x plus root x divided by root of 1 plus x minus root x into root of 1 plus x plus root x into dx. So the numerator is 0 to 1 root of 1 plus x plus root x, and the denominator is a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. It is 1 plus x minus x into dx. So the denominator is 1. So we can write I as integral 0 to 1 plus x whole power 1 by 2 plus x power 1 by 2 into dx. So this is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 plus x whole power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 from 0 to 1. Take 2 by 3 as common. This is 2 by 3 into the remaining part is 1 plus x whole power 3 by 2 plus x power 3 by 2 from 0 to 1. That is equal to 2 by 3. The upper limit is 1 plus 1 2 power 3 by 2 and plus 1. The lower limit is 0 means 1 power 3 by 2 equal to 1 minus 1. Another one is 0. So this is 2 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2 means 2 into root 2. So this is equal to 2 2s are 4 root 2 by 3. So this is the answer. 30. Question number 30. We are given I equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 and sin x plus cos x divided by 9 plus 16 sin 2x into dx. So we have to change this denominator. So consider t equal to sin x minus cos x. So dt equal to cos x plus sin x into dx. So we got the numerator sin x plus cos x into dx for dt, and we have to change it. Now t square equal to sin x minus cos x the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square, that is sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin x cos x, sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So sin 2x equal to, so bring the t square there, 1 minus t square. So we need these two. Now this is equal to integral. Now we have to change the limit also. Now x and t. So we have for x 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4. Here when you put 0, sin 0 equal to 0, cos 0 equal to 1, so it is minus 1. And when you put pi by 4, sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. So this is the new limit. So applying this, it is minus 1 to 0, and the numerator is sin x plus cos x into dx equal to dt divided by 9 plus 16 into, this is sin 2x equal to 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square. So let us simplify this, minus 1 to 0, that is 1 by 9 plus 16 minus 16 t square into dt. So this is equal to integral minus 1 to 0, 9 plus 16 equal to 25, 25 can be written as 5 square minus 16 t square equal to 40 the whole square into dt. We know that integral 1 by a square minus x square into dx equal to 1 by 2a into log of modulus of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So I equal to, we have 1 by 2a, here a equal to 5 and x equal to 40. So 1 by 2a means 1 by 10 into log of modulus of a plus x, that is 5 plus 40 divided by a minus x, 5 minus 40, and we have to divide by the coefficient of x, that is coefficient of t. So 1 by 4, this is equal to 1 by 40 into, so within the limit minus 1 to 0. So log of 1 by 40 into, so first substitute the upper limit, that is 0 means it is 5, here also 0 means 5, 5 by 5 equal to log 1 minus, and 5 substitute the lower limit is, this is log of minus means 1 and minus of minus 1 plus 4, it is 9, and which is equal to 1 by 40 into log of log a minus log b equal to log a by b, that is log of 1 minus 1 by 9, which is equal to 1 by 40 into log 9. So the denominator of the denominator becomes a numerator. So it is 1 by 40 into log 9. This is question number 31. I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x into tan inverse of sin x into dx. Now expand this. This is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 2 sin x cos x into tan inverse of sin x into dx. So we have substitution as well as its derivative. So put t equal to sin x, therefore dt equal to cos x into dx, and also change the limit x t, when we have given 0 to pi by 2. So when x equal to 0, sin 0 is 0, when x equal to pi by 2, sin pi by 2 equal to 1. So the new limit is 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So sin x becomes t and tan inverse of t into dt. So sin x equal to t, so here also t, so it is tan inverse of t, and cos x dx equal to dt. So this is a product of two terms. We have to integrate using integration by parts, partial integration only. So according to the preference ILATE, already I told you. So inverse trigonometry comes first. So this part can be taken as u, and t into dt will be dv. Now take u equal to tan inverse of t, tan inverse of t, and dv equal to t into dt, t into dt. So we have to differentiate u. So du equal to 1 by 1 plus t square into dt, and integrating dv we have t square by 2. Substituting, this is equal to 2 into, now uv t square, uv means t square into tan inverse of t, tan inverse of t divided by 2, and this is for 0 to 1, and minus 2 into integral 0 to 1 v du. v du means t square by 2, that is 1 by 2 into t square by 1 plus t square into dt. Now eliminating all these two, we have the first part is t square tan inverse of t 0 to 1 and minus, so t square, this can be written as 0 to 1. So in the denominator it is 1 plus t square, so we have to add 1 and subtract 1. So 1 plus t square minus 1 divided by 1 plus t square into dt. The first part is upper limit minus lower limit. When the upper limit is 1, it is 1, tan inverse of 1 equal to pi by 4, and the lower limit is 0. This is pi by 4 minus integral 0 to 1. So when we split this, it will be dt, and minus into minus plus integral 0 to 1, it is 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. So this is equal to pi by 4 minus integral dt equal to t from 0 to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus t square means tan inverse of t from 0 to 1. This is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 and plus upper limit is pi by 4 and the lower limit is 0. So, pi by 4 plus pi by 4 equal to pi by 2, that is 45 degree plus 45 equal to 90 degree, pi by 2 minus 1. So, this is the next question number 32. Let I equal to integral 0 to pi x tan x divided by secant x plus tan x into dx. In order to bring the standard form, we have to apply the property. So, this is 1 and remember the property integral 0 to a f of x into dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. In the previous case, one problem, even if we apply this property, it won't be converted into simplest form. So, there we have not applied. So, here we need to apply this. So, I equal to integral 0 to pi. So, every x will be a minus x, that is pi minus x. So, this is pi minus x into tan of pi minus x. In the denominator it is secant of pi minus x plus tan of pi minus x into dx. This is equal to integral 0 to pi. So, pi minus x into tan of 180 minus theta minus tan theta, because in the second quadrant sign only positive. So, it is minus tan x. Similarly, secant of minus pi minus x is also minus secant x. This is minus tan x into dx. Now, eliminating the minus. So, commonly take the minus in the denominator and the minus minus cancel. So, I equal to integral 0 to pi, the numerator is, so we have eliminated minus. So, pi tan x minus x tan x, pi tan x minus x tan x, and the denominator is secant x plus tan x, secant x plus tan x, say the into dx, say this is 2. Now, add 1 and 2. So, plus x tan x minus x tan x cancel, and then numerator will be pi into 0 to pi tan x divided by the common denominator is secant x tan x, secant x plus tan x into dx. Here we can modify this like, so the numerator is sin x by cos x and the denominator is 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x equal to 1 plus sin x by cos x into dx. So, I equal to, that is 2y equal to 1 plus 2 means 2y, this is also 2y. So, 2y equal to integral pi into integral 0 to pi. So, sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into dx. We need to add 1, subtract 1, that is pi into integral 0 to pi 1 plus sin x minus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x into dx. This is equal to pi into integral 0 to pi. So, the first part is integral dx and the second part is minus, this is minus 1 by sin x, 1 plus sin x, I am sorry, 1 plus sin x into dx. This is also pi into from 0 to pi. So, 2y equal to pi into integral that means integral dx equal to x 0 to pi. So this is x 0 to pi minus the part is pi into integral 0 to pi. So here we have in the denominator 1 plus sin x. So we have to multiply the conjugate of the denominator, that is 1 minus sin x. So 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin square x into dx, that is equal to, the upper limit is pi, lower limit is 0, that is pi square minus pi into integral 0 to pi. We have 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x into dx. So that can be written as pi square minus pi into integral 0 to pi. So 1 by cos square equal to secant square x and minus, this can be written as secant x tan x, secant x tan x into dx. That is equal to pi square minus pi into, now integrate, secant square x means tan x and secant x tan x means secant x minus secant x from the limit 0 to pi, that is equal to pi square minus pi into, so tan pi means 0 and secant pi means minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1, this is the upper limit, minus tan 0 means 0, this is minus 1. So 2y equal to pi square minus pi into, so this is 1 plus 1 2 pi, 2 pi. So 2y equal to pi into pi minus 2, this is pi into pi minus 2, therefore I equal to pi by 2 into pi minus 2. So this is the answer. Next question number 33. 33, let I equal to integral 1 to 4 modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 plus modulus of x minus 3 into dx. Now we know that modulus of x minus 1 equal to x minus 1 for x is greater than or equal to 1. So we can write this as integral 1 to 4 x minus 1 into dx. Now modulus of x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 for x is greater than or equal to 2 and equal to minus x minus 2 for x is less than or equal to 2. So it is plus means from 2 to 4. So 2 to 4 it is plus x minus 2 into dx, and whereas it is minus from 1 to 2, x minus 2 into dx, and modulus of x minus 3 equal to x minus 3, positive x minus 3 for x is greater than or equal to 3, which is equal to minus x minus 3 for x is less than or equal to 3. So we need to add, that is from 3 to 4, 3 to 4 this is x minus 3 into dx, and minus 1 to 3 it is x minus 3 into dx. Now you can integrate each function, it is all very easy. So integrate these functions and substitute the upper limit and lower limit, you will be getting the answer. Question number 34 and 35 are your homework. So question number 34 given as, 34 is given as integral 1 to 3 dx by x square into x plus 1. So 1 by x square into x plus 1 equal to a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 1. Use rational fraction, partial fraction, sir. So rational fraction make into partial fraction, then it is easy for you to integrate. And 35, the same problem without limit we have done earlier, and using the limit you can integrate that. So 35 is also your homework. Let us compute for 36. Now question number 36. Question number 36. Let I equal to integral minus 1 to 1 x power 17 into cos power 4x into dx. We have to prove this equal to 0. Let f of x, before that let us see a property. We have a minus a to a, it is a property. By property integral minus a to a f of x into dx equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x into dx are equal to 0. This is for even function, this is for odd function. Let us see the given function is odd or even. Now let f of x equal to x power 17 into cos power 4x, f of minus x equal to minus x whole power 17 cos power 4 of minus x. So this is equal to minus x power 17, cos of minus x equal to cos x only, this is cos power 4x only, which is equal to minus f of x. Since f of minus equal to minus f of x, the function is said to be odd function, therefore the value of the function is 0 by property. Question number 37. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin cube x into dx, sin cube x into dx. You have to prove that this, the value is 2 by 3. So assume this I equal to, in the trigonometry we have an identity, sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So 4 sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. So bring this 4 here, so it is 1 by 4 into 3 sin x minus sin 3x. So I equal to 1 by 4 integral 0 to pi by 2, this is 3 sin x minus sin 3x, sin 3x into dx. This is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 cos x plus cos 3x by 3 from 0 to pi by 2. You can substitute the upper limit and the lower limit, you can get the answer. Question number 38. I equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 2 tan cube x into dx. So you have to prove the value is 1 minus log 2. The value of this integral is 1 minus log 2. So don't use tan 3x formula. Here we can simplify in this manner, that is 0 to pi by 4 tan cube x can be written as tan x into tan square x into dx. That is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 4 tan x into tan square x become secant square x minus 1 into dx. This is equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x into secant square x into dx minus 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x into dx. Let this one be I1 minus I2. Now I1 equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x secant square x into dx. Now put t equal to tan x, t equal to tan x. So dt equal to secant square x into dx. Change the limit. x t for 0 and pi by 4. For 0, tan 0 equal to 0, tan pi by 4 equal to 1. So, this is equal to 2 into 0 to 1. So, t tan secant square x dt, that is equal to 2 into t square by 2, 0 to 1. So, this is upper limit is 1 square 1 and lower limit is 0 and 1 equal to 1, and I2 equal to, this is 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x into dx. This is I2. So, this is equal to 2 into log of modulus of secant x from 0 to pi by 4. So, this is equal to 2 into upper limit log secant pi by 4 means root 2 minus log secant 0 means 1. So, log 1 equal to 0. So, this is equal to 2 log root 2, that is equal to log of root 2 the whole square equal to 2. So, now I equal to I1 minus I2, I1 equal to 1 minus I2 equal to log root 2, log 2. Question number 39. We have I equal to 0 to 1 sin inverse of x into dx, sin inverse of x into dx. We need to prove that this value is pi by 2 minus 1, pi by 2 minus 1. Now, we cannot directly integrate sin inverse of x, so we need partial integration according to the preference of Eilert. So, inverse trigonometric ratio. So, we have to take this part as u, this is dv. So, take u equal to sin inverse of x and dv equal to dx. Differentiating u, we have du equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Integrating dv, we have v equal to x. So, uv, that is we know that integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Accordingly, I equal to the first part, uv means x into sin inverse of x, x into sin inverse of x from 0 to 1 minus integral v du. V means x, du means 1 by root of n minus. So, x by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now, this is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. So, x equal to 1 means 1, sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2, and the lower limit is, when we substitute 0, it is 0, minus integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So, it is, we have to put 1 minus x square as t. Now, put t equal to 1 minus x square. So, dt equal to minus 2x into dx. So, minus 1 by 2 dt equal to x into dx. Now, and the new limit is x t when we are given 0 and 1, 0 and 1, when x equal to 0, t equal to 1, and when x equal to 1, t equal to 0. So, it is 1 to 0, 1 to 0. The numerator is minus 1 by 2 into dt, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into dt, and the denominator is root t. So, that is t power minus 1 by 2. So, that is equal to pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 into t power 1 by 2 means t power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 means 2. So, 1 to 0. Now, this is equal to pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 into upper limit. When t equal to 0, it is 0, and when t equal to 1 it is minus 2, 1 2s are 2, so minus 2, so pi by 2 and plus 1 by 2 into minus 2, so minus 1, so it is pi by 2 minus 1, so the answer is pi by 2 minus 1, hence proved. Question number 40 is deleted portion, so let us leave that problem because it is a limit of sum, we have not it is eliminated from our current syllabus. So right from the 41 I will do question number 41, it is choose it. So integral, let I equal to integral dx by e power x plus e power minus x equal to, now this is equal to integral dx by e power x plus 1 by e power x, that is equal to integral taking LCM, it is e power x square, e power x the whole square and plus 1 whole divided by e power x, the denominator of the denominator will go to numerator into dx. Now we need substitution, put t equal to e power x, so dt equal to e power x into dx, therefore I equal to integral, the denominator is 1 plus e power x the whole square means t square and numerator is dt, 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse of x, that is tan inverse of t, that is tan inverse of t means e power x, so e power x, it is indefinite integral, so put on arbitrary constant plus. Question number 42, I equal to integral cos 2x divided by sin x plus cos x the whole square, sin x plus cos x the whole square into dx. The numerator is cos 2x means cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin x plus cos x the whole square into dx. So this is equal to integral cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x whole divided by cos x plus sin x the whole square into dx. So cancel one thing. Now I equal to integral, the denominator is sin x plus cos x and the numerator is cos x minus sin x into dx. Now t equal to the denominator sin x plus cos x and its derivative is dt equal to cos x minus sin x into dx. So we can write this as integral 1 by t and the numerator is dt. This is log of modulus of t, that is equal to log of modulus of t means sin x plus cos x plus c. So this is the answer. Next question number 43. We are given if f of a plus b minus x equal to f of x, then integral a to b x into f of x into dx equal to. So let us assume I equal to integral a to b x into f of x into dx. So we need to find the value of this function. Now by property integral a to b f of x into dx equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. We have I equal to integral a to b, x means a plus b minus x and f of x means f of a plus b minus x into dx. Now integral a to b, now so multiply this between these two Now we are given integral f of a plus b minus x into dx equal to f of x we are given. So this can be written as a plus b minus x into this part is nothing but f of x and multiply this. So this is equal to integral a to b. So give it to these two, that is equal to a plus b into f of x into dx and minus integral a to b x into f of x into dx. So this is equal to I, and which is equal to a plus b integral a to b f of x into dx minus I, because this is a to b x into f of x equal to I. So bring the I to the left, we have 2y equal to a plus b integral a to b f of x into dx. So I equal to a plus b by 2 integral a to b f of x into dx. So this is next question number 44. Let I equal to integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of 2x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x minus x square into dx. This can be written as integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of, so 2x can be written as x plus x minus 1 divided by 1, take minus x common. So minus x, if you take minus x, this will be minus x into x minus 1 into dx. Now we have one formula, that is trigonometric identity, tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b is equal to tan inverse of a plus b divided by 1 minus ab. So this is in the form of tan inverse of a plus b divided by 1 minus ab. Take this as a, this part as b. So tan inverse of a plus b divided by 1 minus ab. So this can be written as integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b. Tan inverse of a means tan inverse of x and plus tan inverse of b means plus tan inverse of b x minus 1 into dx. So this is 1, and we know a property, by property integral 0 to a f of x into dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. We have I equal to integral 0 to 1. So this is tan inverse of 1 minus x. So this is tan inverse of 1 minus x plus tan inverse of x minus 1 means 1 minus x, 1 minus x and minus 1 into dx. So this is equal to integral 0 to 1. So we can write this as minus tan inverse of x minus 1 and plus tan inverse of plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So tan inverse of minus x equal to minus tan inverse of x, minus tan inverse of x into dx. Say this is 2, adding 1 and 2, we have 2y equal to integral 0 to 1. So plus tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of x cancel, and plus tan inverse of x minus 1 minus tan inverse of x minus 1 equal to cancel. So which gives 2y equal to 0. Therefore I equal to 0. So the option is 44 is B option. So the option is B. So this is the right